Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am going to go ahead and start this video off with my hair already parted and sectioned because parting my hair typically takes the longest, especially with straight back parts. So my hair is freshly washed already, which is why you're going to see this natural hair 101. If your hair is extremely curly like myself, then you probably find your hair getting tangled up around hair ties all the time. But anyways, we're going to go ahead and jump into it, and I'm going to take this top section in a triangle. And lately I have been super obsessed with like my little bang two-strand twist. So I'm just going to part off a little section right here, and I'm going to be using the Goode butter, and it's called Pure Hair Juice. This is the pomegranate avocado, and it's made with small batches with minimum ingredients. You guys, it is 15 ingredients or less in both products I'm going to show you, and I promise you every ingredient in this bottle you can read, and it is all natural, certified, organic ingredients. So I really like that. I do not like products who have these big words where you have to look it up or try to figure out how to pronounce it. I can pronounce everything inside of this bottle. It's supposed to help keep your hair hydrated through all weather conditions. Also, keep in mind, if you battle with dry hair or dry brittle hair, this product has raw ingredients for long-lasting protection against that. So again, you're just going to apply this from root to your ends, and you're going to follow up with the Goode Butter Sealant Oil, which I will show you guys next. All right, you guys, so now we are moving on to the sealant oil, and this is supposed to help with retaining your length, and it's blended with essential oils, so you'll never have to worry about breakage again. And this helps with locking in moisture, and it also helps protection against cold weather. So lately it's been some yucky weather in North Carolina, although it is spring, and so this has been helping with the frizz and everything since it's been raining so much. And ingredients in this, again, it's less than 15, and it has grapeseed oil, coconut oil, sweet almond oil, and extra virgin olive oil. Alright, so to do the next part, I'm literally just going to start parting my hair diagonally because I want a diagonal effect. And once I get my parts to my liking, I'm just going to apply the Pure Hair Juice Pomegranate Avocado Lotion or cream hair product to my hair from root to tip again. And then you guys are gonna watch me apply the sealing oil after I have detangled it, and I'm just gonna secure it with a rubber band, and I'm gonna do this for the next two sections before I actually combine them. So you guys are probably wondering if I applied any water to my hair. Because I had just freshly washed my hair, it takes my hair about 3 to 4 hours before it actually completely air dries. So my hair is fairly damp, so I did not have to apply any extra water when styling. So after I have done all 3 sections, you guys, as you see, I am just 2-stranding each section to connect to the next one and then securing it again with a rubber band. And once I get to the last section, I am going to just do some really tiny mini twists just so that I can make a space bun type thing. Bun, I don't know what you want to call it. I'm always just thinking of something as I do my hair. Comment down below if you're the same way, like you'll have an idea in mind, and once you start doing your hair, you just start going with the flow. So yeah, like I mentioned, I just connected them with just a 2-strand twist and then secured it again with a rubber band. And I am going to add a little bit of product as I go if my hair is dry. So if you guys see me putting something random on my hair, it's probably one of the 2 products that I have been using in this video. I'm sorry. And like I said, I'm just gonna mini twist these in this back little section and make a space bun. So now I'm doing the exact same thing that you just watched me do to the right side of my head to the left side now. Alright, so I zipped on through and I have already connected I already parted off and did my 3 parts. And now I'm going to add a little bit of product because my hair is starting to dry and I want it to stay moisturized. So I did add some product to it while doing my 2-strand twists and connected them again with a rubber band. And after I've connected them, I'm going to do the exact same thing and do some mini twist on that that third section. And we're going to head straight to the back of my hair. So this is what the front of my hair looks like, and like I mentioned, I'm just gonna 2-strand twist these little mini twists, and I'm gonna make a little knot or a bun. I don't know what you call this, but a Bantu knot twist. I don't know. You guys can see me what I'm doing, but I'm just doing this just to protect my ends because the weather is changing and I want to keep and lock all that moisture in my hair. So I'm just gonna lock and twist my ends, and so yeah. Always remember, when you are tucking your ends, you are protective styling your hair. So although my back will not be protective styled, it will be a low manipulation style. The front of my hair is protective styled by me moisturizing and hydrating my ends and tucking them. So now that I just gave you that quick one-on-one tutorial lesson, we are ready to jump into the actual back. In the back, you guys, I'm literally just going to do a wash and go, I guess you want to call it, since I already washed my hair. I'm just going to apply my products and do the raking method and allow this to air dry, and you guys will see my final results. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and do so by hitting that subscribe button. Click on that bell so you'll be notified every time your girl posts, and I will see you guys in my next video.
And that little car goes on. Hop in the whip and go vroom. Nigga talk down, go boom.